Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple but refreshingly flavor-packed salad. I've washed and drained a can of cooked chickpeas. I'll add enough oil just to coat each one and sprinkle a generous amount of salt and some paprika. And I'll add a dash of mild chili powder. I'll get those peas coated in the spices, spread them out on the baking tray and pop them into my preheated oven at 200 Celsius. While my chickpeas are in the oven, I'll chop my washed tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. I'll get that all into a bowl along with the sweet tomato juice. Next, I'll peel a cucumber and chop that into bite-sized chunks. And then I'll finely dice half a red onion. And I'll give that all a good stir. And then I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and a generous amount of salt. The chickpeas are nice and crunchy now, and I'll set those to one side for a moment to cool off. In the meantime, I'll dice up a block of creamy feta cheese. And now I'll go in with a generous amount of dried oregano and a big glug of olive oil and get that all stirred together. And in goes a small clove of crushed garlic. I don't want too much because I don't want to overpower my salad. And I'll give that a really good mix. I've got a bunch of washed mint and I'll roughly chop that up. Now they're cold, in goes my crispy, spicy chickpeas. There it is, tasty, crunchy and so refreshing, delicious on its own or with any meat or fish. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please drop me a comment, like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take really good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.